Hey everybody, how's it going, y'all, out in the YouTube world? Everybody, remember I told y'all I made an Erick Rowan figure? He's finished. Um, Now, WWE just released the new Erick Rowan figure, the very last one of him, because he got released. It's a shame that he got released. He had a lot of potential. They had a lot of potential to make him his own. I don't know. I always thought Erick Rowan like a new Kane, but a little bit more gothic and a little bit more emo. But of course, WWE likes to ruin gimmicks, so whatever. But look, guys, I finished him. Uh, I created his own tattoos. Now, don't hit on me when you see it. You're gonna see his tattoos. Um, I tried my best to make it look like his tattoos. So let's go with this side here. As you see, get if I can get a zoom on this for y'all. I tried to do his wooded house with the witch here. You see the little witch on a table with or a guy she's holding or something. I don't know. And then I did see the dead tree. I put some birds, some crows there. And in the back, let's see if I can. Oops, I only got one hand here. Pardon me for that. I tried to give him something else. I try to make it look as close as possible. Y'all, there's another dead tree I drew all the way around. That's that side. His hand, if y'all ever see my other figure, I swapped hands on him. This is a Tommaso Ciampa hand. So, and these arms are actually from my, I had some spare arms from one of my figures. They were just there in my little bag. I have a black bag full of arms and legs. I'm not being sick or anything, and like I cut them off, you know. But I have a lot of fodder heads, arm pieces, elbow pieces. So I found some extra arms, and I swapped them out because if y'all remember how I told y'all, this whole figure. Well, hold on. Body, shoulders, torso, and legs, it's all Jeff Hardy Ruthless Aggression figure. Okay, so y'all remember that. It fit the regular, it fit the size wise, the portion wise of his head. And because I was going to throw that figure away and I was going to give it to my nephew or to my son because I did not like it. But then I thought about it before I did, and Erick Rowan came out with this new look, and it was perfect, absolutely perfect. So before I get to the shirt, because I know that's what y'all want to see, what shirt that I use, Erick Rowan has like a dragon or something on this side, but I didn't really know what else to do, so I put his little dragon there, all the way around his arm. If y'all can see that here. Oh, let me get a zoom in for y'all. Sorry, guys. Okay, inside, he's got a big Viking. Can y'all see that? Hold on. Y'all see that Viking? Now, my drawing on an arm sucks, but on paper it's a lot better. But I drew a Viking sitting with his arms crossed with his sword. It's crap, I know, but I try my best. And of course, you already know what I use. I use Mod Podge for the sealant. And that worked out nicely. Now, the shirt, because I know that's what y'all are dying to see. Now, if y'all can give me a second, I'm going to try and turn his head and open this up for y'all. So y'all just give me a second here, okay? Now, I used Kill Switch Engage. He actually had this on one of his shirts. And the thing with Ruthless Aggression, it's like an Elite. So, as you see how I did it, I just tucked it underneath. If he ever wants to bend them, no big deal, you see? No big issue at all. You can bend them like that. And yeah, I used something that's cool besides his regular basic metal shirts. Kill Switch Engage. That's what I did for this Erick Rowan figure. Now I gotta be careful. I gotta turn his head back because this vest, I gotta put some Mod Podge there in the back, so because it's ripping. But that's my fault. When I was trying to put the shirt on, it was really hard to do it. Okay, here you go. And this shirt is from I think I said it in my last video. Is from my R-Truth, TNA R-Truth, I think, or it's from Trevor Murdoch, the figure from the Ruthless Aggression era, the Jax figure. If y'all remember Trevor Murdoch, he had a flannel shirt, so I had this as a spare, and that's what Erick Rowan wore to the ring, and yeah, it fit real nice, guys. So as you see, of course it's white in the back, but it doesn't really matter. But I don't know if y'all have seen the Erick Rowan figure. It has a lot of potential, but when did he wear brown pants? Come on, like, are you serious? He wore the black shirt, and of course that's very easy to work with because all you have to do is just go to Google and put on your own shirt on his body, and then if you have a flannel vest, just put it on. It's very easy. But the brown pants, I mean, come on, they could have done a lot better. They just kind of like, let's just make a figure, let's just throw him out there. It's his last. He's already released anyways. But I made my own. He's updated, and I've been wanting to show y'all guys for a while. But yeah, this is my custom Erick Rowan figure, and I hope y'all like him.